The CASIO Duro is a major hit among watch enthusiasts and highly appreciated as a good value for money, cost-effective proposition. More to the point, this reference is very affordable, retailing at just $70 US. Today, we're discussing the Marlin variant, distinguishable from the standard model by the Marlin fish logo at 6 o'clock. First things first, let's start with the bezel. Unidirectional, it is somewhat imprecise in its action, in that it aligns correctly, but there's always some play. It strikes me as inexpensive despite its 120 clicks, a decent bezel action after all. A vivid green on this reference resembling that of the Rolex Kermit in its markings 0 to 60 and dive time zone 0 to 15. The dial is arguably the most aesthetically pleasing feature of this CASIO Duro, a black sunburst that is very pleasing with round hour markers and baton at 9 and 6 o'clock. Indices and hour markers are covered with luminescent paste that glows green in the dark. What is special about this example is the Marlin fish logo at 6 o'clock. Allegedly, CASIO has stopped selling the Marlin outside of the US due to licensing costs. One thing of note about the Duro is the perfect alignment of the seconds hand with the minute markers. In many quartz watches, the seconds hand frequently fails to line up exactly with the minute markers, resulting in a noticeable misalignment that can detract from the overall aesthetic and perceived quality of the watch. However, the Duro sets itself apart by achieving this alignment perfectly. That's good craftsmanship. The overall design of the case is excellent, with beveling at the edges and polished finish on the flanks, brushed finish on top of the lugs, which hug the wrist with their curvature. The screw-down crown, unmarked, helps with water resistance up to 200 meters. At 44 millimeters, it wears a little on the large side on my 18 centimeter wrist, possibly the only downside for me. Yet this is subjective, I'm certain it will look awesome on a larger wrist. The case back is screw down, common choice in divers. It could have been snap-on easily at this price point, so this is a plus. Notably, we find the Marlin logo engraved in the center, again remarkable. It could have been laser etched as a more cost-effective design choice. The band is made of good quality resin. It offers the right amount of rigidity, yet it is soft and comfortable to the skin, thin and easy to strap on the wrist. It tapers from 20 millimeters at the ends to a larger width towards the lugs, harmonizing with the case thanks to a cutout creating that visual continuum yet fitting that 22 millimeters lug space. The pin buckle is unsigned and generic, nothing worth mentioning here. As far as the caliber goes, this CASIO is powered by a quartz module 2784. Accuracy is plus minus 20 seconds a month and battery life is 3 years. Lume is essential on any diver and present on this Duro, but it leaves something to be desired, not as persistent as one might have wished for. The CASIO Duro has gained significant popularity for providing standard diver features at an exceptionally affordable price. However, over the years, it has seen price increases of up to $100, which somewhat contradicts its original value proposition. My personal take, this CASIO is an honest diver with 200 meters water resistance. It has a captivating dial, comfortable on the wrist, it ticks many boxes. And with that, I'm wrapping this one up. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next one.